Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick cottage garden catch up. As you can see, I'm out here weeding today. Yeah, right. Look at this. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, but here's everything I was sorting out a couple of days ago. At least it doesn't look such a mess. Here's the guttering I've fitted. Wow, crunch, crunch, crunch. Really, really. Wow. There's some plants I should have really taken in. As soon as it defrosts and heats up a little bit, I'll dig these persimmons I've got in there, some dahlias, dig them up. And there's my beautiful pampas grass. Must be 10, 12 feet tall now. The biggest and best it's grown this year. Absolutely gorgeous. Just a quick turn round. Look how beautiful. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a look in the greenhouse now, shall we? See how things are getting on. Oh. Let's have a look, shall we? Wow. My little fan heater there. Wow, what a difference when you come in here. Absolutely beautiful. There's a few plants that need draining. There and there. Look round. Oh, that fan heater. Wow, that's great on my feet. There's my rose cuttings. My persimmons that I've split. There's my hostas. And let's have a look under my little grow bench, shall we? 16 degrees in here, which is brilliant. There's my cuttings, my pelargoniums. My pelargoniums there, and like I said, 16.5, 17 degrees. Put my hand on there, and it's lovely and warm, which is great. Mine's absolutely brilliant. So yeah, everything looking here. That's gypsophilia, an apricot there, and back there is a begonia tuber. So yeah, everything is looking well. I need to get a bit more heat in here though, just to melt this off the roof, a bit more lighting. So yeah, that's my little cottage garden tour, as you can see. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.